Tired of shoe returns due to sizing issues? Introducing the Shoe Size Finder by Prime AI, the ultimate solution to enhance your shopping experience and boost sales. It's simple. Snap a photo of your foot next to an A4 or letter-sized paper. No app downloads needed. Everything happens right in your internet browser. Prime AI technology uses advanced image recognition to provide precise length and width measurements, perfectly matched to shoe SKUs in online and physical stores. If your size is unavailable, we'll suggest similar shoes in stock. Plus, you can easily find your desired shoes in nearby stores. Prime AI technology delivers unmatched precision with an error margin of under 5mm, equivalent to half a shoe size. This ensures fewer returns due to sizing issues. Enjoy customizable UI and UX, custom APIs, and AI-powered accuracy. Our technology continuously learns from your sales data to improve precision, even identifying different foot girths. Integrate Shoe Size Finder into any e-commerce platform, including headless systems. Setup is easy and requires minimal effort from your team. Customers don't need to download any extra app. Shoe Size Finder opens instantly in their browser. Get started in just 1 week. Revolutionize your online shoe sales with Prime AI Shoe Size Finder. Reduce returns, boost sales, and create a personalized shopping experience. Book a demo today. Prime AI, transforming the way you shop for shoes.